Hello guys, Kazama here, and today we're gonna unbox something that I just got today in the mail, and I wanna show you guys. What I got today in the mail is also good. As you can see, Stargate, which I hope we can draw the CR of the Zeroth Dragon, because it's nice, and Star Whaler is my second favorite planet or nation with blasters behind the one and only Grand Blue. Mega Colonia. And Grand Blue and Octopus are one of my favorite nations. Let's open and see if we can pull this big one now. Wish me luck. And we got this one, we got an airy package, I think, today. And first boosters. Hopefully, let's see. First booster. Nothing. Deletor and Azure Messiah. Now to the second one. Let's get and two rares. Hopefully we get this rare in one of these boosters. Hope you can see the cards. Nice. River Trigger and a good hitter for Dimension Police. Oh, well, it's looking good because, as you can wait, what? No, it won't be. Let's go. What was this one? We drew before. And I'm kind of scared. Oh, Aflani. Huh. Good, but let's hope we draw it this time. But this was. And G-Guard, the perfect guard, for blouse or for any number for blouse. And if you want it and you're thinking, I'm gonna sell it on my own market. A good draw card for the deck, stand, and the G Guardian of Sling Joker. See what we get here. And Gosachi. It's a good card for Victor players because you can stand, and with the strike they got, you can have more drive checks. Get more drive checks. Oh, and we got Die Ballast. I don't know if it's good for dice, but leave it in the comment section. I know the next one. Making faster, we can see guys. And great for again the G guard of Flame Joker. And it's just it's Demolition Bill Dosaurus. Sadly no. Let's make it faster. Well, and Blow Energy, also a good one for premium. The last one. Let's see. Hope it's stock, and it's a Victor. Generation Rare Winning Champ Victor. You can write down in the comments if these are any of these are good that are true. And see you next day, the next opening. It was Kazuma. See ya.